Hi, I am Christian Ronald A. Suarez and I'm here to share about you my topic Oplan Salikop. What is the meaning of Oplan Salikop? Oplan Salikop is a campaign against crimes, organized crime groups, and other criminal gangs. It also leads in the investigation, detection, and strategic plans of other organized crime groups. Furthermore, Oplan Salikop are also called as Oplan Lockdown, which is campaign against illegal drugs, drug traffickers, and campaign against organized crime groups and criminal gangs was launched in Binyan City, Laguna. Binyan City is the first city to implement this because the government of Binyan led by the Mayor de Magellan Jr. and with his Vice Mayor Angelo Alonte is serious about eliminating drugs in the city. Oplan Salikop aims to reduce crimes involving illegal firearms, robbery or hold-up, car theft, and crimes perpetrated by motorcycle riding criminals. The importance of Oplan Salikop was an instrument in decrease in the number of the drug peddlers and users in the Philippines, with a mission to enforce the law, prevent and control crimes, and ensure public safety and security in the community. To be able to achieve a prosperous, peaceful, united community which we truly believe in.